Hey everybody, it's Dan from Bro Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to build a raised bed perfect for growing raspberries in your backyard. Ryan brought his chop saw over and a tape measure, thanks Ryan, and we're going to use it to cut some white cedar boards that I got from a local lumberyard. Just like red cedar, white cedar is rot and insect resistant, so it should last for a lot of years without any kind of upkeep. The dimensions for the raised bed are 4 feet wide by 12 feet long, so we'll cut a few of these boards down into 4-foot lengths for the ends of the bed. We'll leave the other 12-foot lengths alone, and then to anchor everything together, I'll cut this 4x4 post into 2-foot sections. Alright, let's go. Enough of that. After laying it out, we started putting it all together. Each board attaches to the corner 4x4s with 2 screws, and the whole thing just stands up on its own once it's all connected. Sweet, now we just gotta place it. That's probably more than I need. Alright, got it centered. Now we're just going to do the rest of it. I'm making this raised bed fairly tall on purpose since raspberries need good drainage and plenty of room for their roots to grow down into the ground. I also really don't want to see a ton of raspberry shoots growing up out of my lawn, and I'm hoping it'll keep them pretty contained. These are such long boards that some of them are bowed one way or the other, so what I'm going to do is put one board up and down there so that kind of locks them all in place. Alright, so this board's going to go in the center just to make sure that when we put all the dirt in, it doesn't bow the boards out. With the brace in place, this bed is solid. Now, it's time for dirt. We started using some cardboard to protect the edges of the raised bed and then just filled her up. After about 15 wheelbarrows of dirt and 1 wheelbarrow of Ryan, we raked this smooth. Now I just need to add a trellis and plant some raspberries. Thanks for watching Bro Builds. I'll see you next time.